How China predicts the Iran USA Israel war and what comes next. You are watching Global Face tonight, and I am Mr. Bravo. In year 2026, today, the world is gripped by the escalating conflict between the United States, Israel, and Iran. As airstrikes, military alliances, and covert operations dominate the news, many are left wondering, how did we get here? What forces are at play behind the scene shaping the historical moment? And most intricately, how prediction of this war and what does their forecast say about the future? Meet Jing Yuqing, a Chinese geopolitical analyst who predicts about the Iran USA Israel conflict have now caught the world's attention. Years before the war began, Jing outlined a series of bold forecasts that seems impossible at that time but now chilling accurate. Today, we are diving deep into this prediction and, more important, the implication of what comes next. The backdrop of the tension. The confrontation between the United States, Israel, and Iran has reached its peak, while the US and the Israeli have launched coordinated airstrikes against Iranian military targets. Tehran has retaliated with missiles and drones aimed at Israeli cities and US military bases. For many, it feels like its inevitability of war was always on the horizon. But Jing Yuqing, a renowned Chinese academia, it was not just a matter of if, but when and how the war could unfold. In his research, Jing did not simply follow mainstream narrative about military build-up and international diplomacy. Instead, he focused on the deeper currents of human behavior, power cycles, and economic interest that drives global politics. And it was through this lens that Jing predicts not just the timings of the conflict, but its global ramifications. Swing Zuchin prediction. Prediction number one. The Iranian-US confrontation would escalate by 2026. In year 2023, Jing predicted that the US and Iran would be pushed into a direct military confrontation. And this conflict within a just few years, that was not just a geopolitical prediction. It was an analysis of how certain historical patterns would inevitably bring the two countries to a brink of war. Jing understood the forces that play. With Iranian nuclear ambition and the US stance on containment, he saw that the diplomatic pressures alongside Iranian retaliation against US interest in the region would trigger upon warfare. And indeed, within months of his prediction, the situation reached a tipping point. His foresight was far from speculative. It was grounded in geopolitical logic. Prediction number two. This conflict was not just impact the Middle East, it would shift the global power balance. Jing foresaw a world where the United States would not emerge victorious, where Iranian resistance would not only withstand US pressure and also but reshaping alliances and introduce a new balance of power. His predictions was radical. He argued that US would lose ground in its pursuit of regional dominance. The war would stretch American resources thin, forcing them to shift focus, while China's influence would rise dramatically by providing economic and diplomatic support to Iran. China would position itself as a key player in the Middle East and not as a regional power but a global superpower. Prediction number three. The most startling of Jing's prediction was he certain that the United States would not achieve a clear victory in this war. Despite its superior technology and firepower, Jing believed that Iranian strategy of resilience and its growing alliances would neutralize US efforts. Jing analyzed showed how Iran would not only survive but effectively counter the US military machine with guerrilla tactics, asymmetric warfare, and cyber attack. The involvement of Russia and China in supporting Iran would undermine US efforts, while the international community, disillusionized by US unilateralism, would push for a global shift in power. What comes next? So, what happens next? Jing, predictions point to a new geopolitical era where the US is forced to recalibrate its role and China seizes the opportunity to become the dominant force in the Middle East and beyond. As the war escalates, the US is caught in a delicate position. China, meanwhile, has been quietly strengthening its ties with Iran, filling the vacuum power left by US retreat. The Belt and Road Initiative, which has already redefined global trade, now it has become a key instrument of global strategy. The human cost and the global impact. However, beyond the strategic calculation and power shift lies the human cost. The war has already claimed tens of thousands of lives and displaced millions. The cities in Iran and Lebanon have been destroyed, while Israel civilians are under constant threat of missile strikes. The humanitarian crisis is unfolding as the world watches, powerless. This conflict, like so many other in the history, reminds us what war have real human consequences. It's not just about military victories, it's about the millions of lives shattered in the process. As we watch the world transform into the wake of this war, we must ask ourselves, what's the future of global stability? Can Xing Yuqing predictions guide us towards a more powerful multipolar world, or will we continue down to the path of conflict and divisions? The Iran-USA-Israel war is just the beginning of a new chapter in the global geopolitics. Jing's forecast on the changing balance of power changes everything we thought we know about international relations. The question is now, will his predictions come true, and if so, what will the world looks like after that? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You are watching Global Face Tonight, and I was Mr. Bravo. Good night.